And away we go. Let's go. Okay. I think we had quite a good start. And not crash. Oh my god. Okay, the leader is out. The leader is out. Oh! He's spinning out. I think on the right. Oh my god. That was so scary. Yes guys, welcome to a brand new video, and today I'm trying out iRacing. I've literally driven like a couple of races. I've never made a video about it. I'm used to Assetto Corsa. I already put on my Red Bull jersey, so we're totally ready. And yeah, today I'll show you basically like how iRacing works. I'm currently into a session into the Mazda MX-5 Cup, and it's on Oulton Park. I've never driven there before, so right before this video I practiced for like 30 minutes. It's a really interesting track with like high difference and yeah, a lot of tricky chicanes, which can be really scary sometimes. And yeah, for me it's like like the mission in this series to become better, to improve. So if you have any tips or any feedback, please let me know. I appreciate it a lot because it helps me. Yeah, it just only makes me better. So I'm trying to get better, to show you like my journey through iRacing, to get like a higher iRating, get into better classes. But first I want to learn the Mazda, because I've heard if you can drive a Mazda you can basically drive any car. So yeah, I'm really excited, and today I want to do a race with you. So I'm going to show you the practice, the qualifying and the race. If you have any suggestions as well for like the format of the video, if you want 2 races or 1 races, please let me know, and I say let's hop into the action. Let's start the engine, and we're currently in the qualifying session of the race. Yeah, basically you have 1 lap to warm up, and then you have 2 qualifying laps to set your fastest lap, and then you're racing against like I think 10 to 15 participants, and they're like a bit, ooh, okay, tires are still cold. Then yeah, they're like related to your iRating, so you race like people with like the same skill, so that's good. Well, the thing is, when I was racing with Assetto Corsa, I was used to like seeing the tire pressures or the standings and the delta, and I know I've enabled the delta, so I'm not sure why it's not enabled yet. I know it's my first lap, so then you shouldn't be able to see your delta, but it's weird. I don't know why that is. And if you see any things like regarding my screen, like what I should put on here, like some things, I saw you had some options, then feel free to let me know on how to improve that, so I can like get more information. Because I knew you're able to like show like the lines of your braking and your throttle, so that could be interesting as well. Oh, this chicane is so tricky. I'm really scared of this one. And then we're getting close to the last sector, which is a really long straight. That's this one. And then let's focus and see how we can qualify in Oulton Park on one of my first races. So that's going to be fun. A lot of understeer, too much entry speed. Up to speed, a very important corner, because you have a really long straight, so a good exit is really important. I really love this corner. Like braking hard,
green flag,
braking, get a good rotation, getting on the throttle early, and let's go. Then I'll take you on the lap of Oulton Park. Bruh. Brake hard. Oh, fucked up my entry. Oh, that was bad. That was really bad. That cost me a lot of momentum. Well, let's try to get the most out of it yet. Brake hard, second gear, trail braking into this corner, come with the throttle, lifting, getting a nice run in this corner, using all of the exit curb. Okay, quite happy with that. This is always kind of a tricky corner, especially when you completely ruin it like me. I really have to set in a really good lap for the second one, because this one is not it. Brake hard, look for a good exit. We get the white flag, which means you have only 1 lap of qualifying. Let's see what our time is. Oh, 1:55, that's really bad. Okay, really need to improve. Oh, no track limit. Oh, nice. I'm wondering if that's not off track, but we'll take it. Not a good rotation. Not good. I think it was too early at the apex. I think we can win a lot of time in the chicane. So let's try to improve. Brake hard, open up the corner. Oh, way better. You can immediately see the delta. Brake hard, little turbo braking. Way too slow, I think, here. I lose a lot of time here. Keep it on track. That was bad. That was really bad. I wasn't focused. In practice, I drove like a 153 high. We left a lot of time there. I'm not sure. I just, especially this corner, I'm not really that good in that corner. I think I'm losing a lot of speed there, and the chicanes. I think I can just there have a lot more entry speed if I have a better line. And like here, I have to, like, so I can go full throttle here. So yeah, lots to improve for the race, but I hope we have a good qualifying position. Let's see. All right, guys, we're onto the grid, and let's see where. I think we're in fourth position. Yeah, I think we qualified fourth from like, I think 10 or 12 drivers, so it's okay. I think we could improve because we made a lot of mistakes, unfortunately. So I think for the race we'll be focused a bit more, a little bit less talking, and I hope we can survive turn 1 because yeah, in the rookie class I'm not the best driver because I'm still learning as well, but from experience I can tell that it can be quite tricky, and it's going to be a lot of chaos probably. So I hope to survive the first laps, get a good run, get a good start. We're off, guys. Let's see. The lights are red. And away we go, let's go. Okay, I think we had quite a good start. We catch the first guy here. We're too far to catch this guy, so I gotta be curious. Careful, I mean, not curious. I'll just focus on the good exit and not crash. Oh my god, okay, the leader is out, the leader is out. Alright, he's rapid. Oh, seems like he was slow there. Could be me. Oh, why can I see the gaps between the first one and the guys behind me? No clue. Oh, I think we can catch him. We seem faster. He's going wide, really wide here. Oh, we should be definitely able to catch him here. Come on. Slipstream. Oh, it's a really scary corner to overtake. I can't overtake him yet. Let's try to stay close here.
Left side.
Someone on my left side.
Clear on the left.
Oh, that was bad for me. I braked way too much. It wasn't necessary. I was just a little bit boxed in. I didn't know what to do. Ooh, we lost control there. Oh, he's spinning out.
Go right.
On the right. Oh my god. That was so scary. Oh, I was hesitating to go left or right, and last minute I decided to go right. Oh my god. Well, the thing is, like, you don't even have to be the fastest, but if you can drive consistently and like make no mistakes, you can win it. There's like no one near us, so that's like good. So we don't have to worry about losing second place, and we can fully commit to our chase. That's like first part. Oh, whoa, what happened? I don't know if you guys saw that, but my screen just froze for a sec. That was scary. And now, oh fuck my life. Now I'm losing this corner. I probably have to yield.
Slow down. Yeah. You got a penalty for cutting the course.
Huh? The yielding goes so slow. Oh my god, no. Now I'm getting overtaken. Please hurry, please hurry.
Right side.
Are you
clear on the right?
It said 3 seconds. It felt like 10. Our dreams of winning are gone. Let's focus on getting second position back. I'm trying to take too much risk. Braking way too late. We're still like the same distance away from him. I keep making mistakes, so stupid. Oh man, I braked way too early there. But it seems like he got a shit turn there, so that's good. Oh, definitely, we're gaining on him. Let's try to keep up the pressure. Maybe he'll make some mistakes. Oh yeah, that's it. That's what I'm looking for. Way better exit here. I'm not yet close enough, but I'll do it to make him scared. So let's see where he brakes. And yeah, make a mistake. Love to see it. Alright. We lost a bit of our distance. We should have been closer, but we have the pressure fully on him, so that's good. Okay. Okay, I had way too much exit speed there, which ruined my exit. Oh, he's getting away. It's not good. It's definitely good. Not good, guys.
4.
Oh, one more lap, guys. I don't think we can catch him. It's so stupid that I made a mistake, which made me yield, because we could literally easily take second place. Let's give it everything and see if we can catch him. Oh,
The car in front has gone off.
guys, he fucked up. He fucked up. Oh, amazing. Okay, focus. We're not there yet. To finish first, you first have to finish. Someone said. So let's focus on that first. Okay, I'm actually quite close to the leader. Oh, it's way too far. He's way too far. Oh yeah, it's over. He fucked up. He tried to send it up the inside. We actually came quite close to the first car there. You can see him. Imagine if we didn't fuck up in the beginning. But for first race, first race at practice, of course, I'll gladly take second place, guys. I'm really happy with that. Wow. But yeah, I think I wasn't consistent enough. Like, making a lot of mistakes in qualifying as well. So I think we need to improve on that, be more consistent, focus more. But after all, I think, I'm happy with the results. So let's look into how much iRating we got and if our safety rating improved. I hope so. All right, guys, that was the race. Here are the results on the screen. And as you can see, I think it's a fair result, because if you look to the lap times of the winner, it was just a lot faster if you look to the average lap time. I thought at the end that we could catch him, but I think he was too far away because we saw him on a very long straight, of course. So that makes sense. And the best lap, I'm actually quite happy with that. 1:45.1. I think it's quite okay. Of course, it's just a start in the rookies. But we improved quite some of the iRating, gained a lot, 78. Of course, when you're still like low in rankings or low iRating, you can like grow easier. So that's good. And our safety rating improved as well, which I really needed to improve because it's not good yet. And I want to improve that. So yeah, I think quite happy with the results. I think we have the pace to definitely improve and like gain 2K iRating ASAP. I think we can definitely reach that within like a few races. But I think that the consistency is not there yet, because I made a lot of mistakes in qualifying in the race as well. Especially the big mistake when I wasn't paying attention or I was just a bit distracted, which cost me a lot of lap time, which made me yield and of course make us lose the second position. I think I'm gonna watch some replays to see how I improve. So if you saw anything, any feedback to improve, please let me know, because I want to get better. So I appreciate your feedback, and let me know what you like of this video format. Do you like it quick, so like one race as I've done now? Or do you like multiple races, maybe a bit shorter, but then we can add like 2 or maybe even 3 races? Yeah, I would love to gain your feedback and just how to know improve my videos. But if you made it to the end, thank you so much for subscribing, and thanks for the 1K as well, the 1K subscribers. I'm really happy with that, which motivates me a lot to record more videos. I hope to publish more iRacing videos soon. So stay tuned, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.